This is a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to install and use the Get Your Guide app, book tours, and access your tickets. Let's walk through it together. There are two simple ways to find the Get Your Guide app. The first one is to open the App Store or Google Play and search Get Your Guide. And the second is to click the link that I'll leave in the description on your phone, which will lead you directly to it. Then you're gonna go ahead and click download. Once that's done, open the Get Your Guide app and create an account using either Apple, Google, Facebook, or another valid email address. This is important. Use the same email you plan to book tours with. If you already have an account, just sign in. Step 2 is understanding the home screen. Once you open the Get Your Guide app, there are 5 main sections. Discover, where you can search destinations or browse nearby experiences. Wishlist, where you can save activities while planning. Cart, where you see everything you've added to your cart. Bookings, your tickets will live here. This is your travel wallet. And your profile. This is how to search properly on the Get Your Guide app. Let's first look at the Discover tab and learn how to search. Let's say you're visiting Rome. Type Rome into search. Up here, you can use filters like start times, places, interests, star rating, price, and the list goes on. You can also open the listing and scroll through it to see if it's something you'd want to do. If you like a tour but don't want to book it right away, you can click the heart icon to wish list it and create your own wish list for your trip. To book a tour, first select the activity, then press the check availability button to see the available dates. If a date is listed in black, it's available, and if it's highlighted in light gray with a line across it, it's not available. Then select the time and make sure to also select the number of people you are booking for more than one person. Here, you can either add this booking to your cart and keep shopping for tours, or you can click the Book Now button. Adding to cart is helpful if you have more than one tour that you'd like to book all at once versus individually booking each tour. After booking, your ticket will instantly appear in the Bookings tab. This is one of the best features about downloading the Get Your Guide app. If you open your ticket once in the app while on Wi-Fi, it will load offline later. This is super helpful if you're traveling, especially if you have spotty service or no Wi-Fi at all. And while we're still on the topic of bookings, just as a thank you for watching this video, here is a 5% off discount code for you to use on any bookings of your choice on the Get Your Guide app. Now here's how to use your ticket. On the day of your tour, you are going to open the app, tap Bookings, open the activity, and click on View Voucher to show the QR code. Always make sure to click on the meeting point details and booking details and read all the information through so you're ready to go on your tour. And that's it. No printing, no inbox tagging. It's that easy. So if you haven't downloaded the app yet, again, my install link is in the description. And if this video helped you feel more prepared for your trip, make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. See you next time.